What's up, guys? So in today's video I want to have a look at a special NFT, and I don't buy NFTs a lot, guys, by the way. I bought maybe a few NFTs in the past 2-3 years, and I have to say that this one really caught my attention, and I'm gonna get to that in just a few seconds. But in this video we're gonna talk about the floor price, we're gonna talk about the FUD that happened a few days ago and how we overcame that FUD. We're gonna talk about some influencers that bought this coin and some hidden influencers that bought this coin. We're also going to be talking about the price prediction and where this can potentially go. We're going to have a look at the website and their Twitter as well. So starting off with IO Imaginary One's floor price of 1.35, let's have a look at the activity. We got a volume traded of 8,000 Ethereum, guys. That is insane. 8,000 Ethereums in the past 4 days. So this thing went live on April 28th, as you guys can see. The mint price was 0.2, I believe, and the public sale was 0.6. It was a Dutch auction. Now, a lot of people were getting mad about it, and a lot of people were flooding all over Twitter. A lot of people were they were just pissed. I don't know why, but I decided to get into this coin. I really like their website. We're gonna get to that in just a second. But this is some of the activity that's happening right now. This thing has just been going off today, Sunday. Ever since this morning, this thing has just absolutely been going off. We were trending at 70 after the sale, and that's when I decided to buy at 0.7, so a little bit above the Dutch auction. And I really like the volume. I like the team. The team is fully docked, by the way. We're gonna get into that in just a second. But starting off with the Twitter, guys, the Twitter, very, very nice. I mean, even though they have 500,000 followers in a few months, a lot of people are calling this fake followers, bots, and whatnot. But let's have a look at some of the engagements that we have over here. We have 8,000 likes, guys. I mean, 8,000 likes, 1,000 comments. That's a lot. In the past 3 hours, 664 likes, 53 comments, okay? 147 retweets as well. 4 hours, 2,000. So I don't know if this is bots. I mean, maybe some of them are, obviously. I mean, a lot of a lot of Twitter accounts do have bots nowadays, but that doesn't mean most of them are, and that doesn't mean this project's fake. I mean, the team is absolutely fully doxed. You could have a look on LinkedIn as well. I mean, let's have a look at their Twitter. I mean, at their actual website real quick. And then we're going to get to the team. But first of all, their website, one of the best websites I've ever seen. I mean, look at that. This is not a scam. This can be a scam. A lot of people are calling this a rug pull. How can this be a rug pull? I mean, look at that. You click it, they switch it, the emojis, or these little, I don't know what you want to call them, but very, very cool website, very fresh, very cute, very nice, very awesome. There's a little sound that comes along with this, which I'm not going to play, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below to OpenSea and my Twitter. Feel free to follow. I do update a lot on my Twitter, but very cool website. Now, what is Imaginary Ones? Imaginary Ones is a delightful 3D animated art with initial drop of 8,888 unique NFTs on the Ethereum network. The project believes in using art to spread love, positivity, and creativity. Very, very nice, very cute, very awesome in my opinion. If you guys, of course, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and due diligence, but this is how the art looks like. The art looks awesome in my opinion. I mean, look at these things. Look at these gifts. I mean, in my opinion, this is probably one of the best arts I've ever seen in the NFT space. Of course, this is probably like 100 times better than Invisible Friends, in my honest opinion. Very, very cool. Now, of course, you could go ahead and read that on your own time, but very, very cool. So having a look at the team, some of the more arts right here. I mean, so this is just awesome arts in my opinion. The roadmap is pretty cool, but of course, roadmap in NFTs don't mean so much. But not to hit on the project. I mean, I own some of them, so it doesn't really matter. But this is the team right here. I mean, they have their Twitter on, they have their LinkedIn on, both of them. CMAT, David right here. So everything, they're pretty much fully docked. Now, a lot of people think that this was a rug, a slow rug and whatnot. Now, a team that's fully docked won't be slow rugged, and it won't be a rug pull, in my honest opinion, from the research I've done. Okay, I've seen a bunch of NFT projects where I haven't FOMO'd in. I usually don't FOMO. I usually don't buy NFTs. I will go on OpenSea every day, to be honest, to see what's nice, what's good, what's not. But this one really caught my attention. I mean, first of all, the community is fantastic. I really love the community. That's number one. Team is fully doxed. The Twitter is nice. They have a lot of engagement on Twitter. The roadmap is pretty good, although that doesn't mean everything, like I said in a few minutes ago. The floor price is fantastic. It's growing slowly but surely. I mean, this is what we want to see, right? Slow and steady wins the race. Another thing that I found out is these guys right here, Howard Pinsky and Alvin Al, 50,000 subscribers and 472,000 subscribers. They actually bought these NFTs. Now, of course, it's not official and it's not tweeted by them, but I saw one of the transaction. It was done by them. They have pretty big stacks. A lot of people with Bored Apes and crypto punks are essentially buying imaginary ones. So we got big players coming and buying imaginary ones. I mean, on Twitter, just all over the place, people really like this project. People love the art. People love the community. I think this is probably one of the best communities I've been in. And I'm not trying to shill my own project, guys, or not my project, my own NFT. But of course, I want you guys to do your own research. I usually don't make. I think I got 4 or 5 different collections of NFTs, and I never really made a video about them. Only about one, and that's about it. Now, can this potentially go to 25 Ethereum for floor price? I mean, let's have a look at some of these crazy NFTs. We saw Moonbirds popping to 32 Ethereum, okay? And we saw, I mean, not imaginary ones, but we saw a lot of, I mean, Bored Ape, and we saw a lot of these coins or NFTs essentially exploding. Now, of course, the reveal is not yet. The reveal will be in a few days from now. But guys, this is just, in my opinion, this is going to be huge. I might buy another one, to be honest. I mean, looking at this price right here, the floor price is very thin. We got 556 listed only. I mean, just a few days ago, we had 1,400 listed. So people are not only delisting, people are sweeping, people are buying, people are accumulating. A lot of good things are happening to this project, in my opinion. I really like it. Floor price prediction, in my opinion, this can easily go above 10 Ethereum. Before reveal, I would probably say it could go to maybe 6 or 7 Ethereum before reveal. Now, I know a lot of projects do dump after the reveal, but depending on what happens and how the team actually reveals and what kind of plans they come out with that, it's going to be very interesting to see. I mean, I'm not saying this is going to be another Hey Prime or any of these tokens or NFTs that dump after reveal. The art is fantastic. The community is amazing. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens within these next 10 days, in my honest opinion. And that's about it. Of course, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.